How to delete a Facebook business page. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. What you want to do is you open up your Facebook app right here. And once you're here, just click on this menu icon at the bottom right. And you can click on see more right here. Scroll down a bit and click on pages. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Now you want to select the Facebook business page that you want to delete. After that, just click on it. And make sure to click on switch right here when it pops up. And once you have switched on to your page, just click on this menu icon again at the bottom right. And click on this gear icon at the top right. Now, if you missed this next part, then you'll have to start over. From here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and click on access and control. This page will load and immediately you will be able to see the option to deactivate and delete your page. Just click on that. And since we want to delete our Facebook business page, just select the delete page option and click on continue. Now Facebook might ask for a reason, but you can just click on continue right here if you want to proceed with deleting your page. These information will pop up. Let's scroll down and we can do these things before we delete our page just to make sure of everything. And once you have reviewed everything, just scroll down a bit and click on continue right here. And that should delete your Facebook business page. And that is how you can basically delete a Facebook business page.